In this video, we shall examine the difference between GNP and GDP in a more detailed manner. We shall try to learn how we can get GNP from GDP or GDP from GNP. We shall also see when they will be equal and when not. It is better to start with the definition of GNP and GDP. The sum of money values of all final goods and services produced by own factors of production, regardless whether they work home or abroad, over a specified period of time is called GNP. On the other hand, GDP is the sum of money values of all final goods and services produced in the domestic territory over a specified period of time. The only difference between GNP and GDP is that GNP considers products produced by own factors of production regardless whether they work, home or abroad. That is, home factors production at home and home factors production at abroad both are included in GNP. On the other hand, GDP considers production in the domestic territory. Doesn't matter who produce, home factors or foreign factors. Thus, foreign factors production at home, which is not included in GNP, gets counted in GDP. Let us illustrate them using figure. Consider two countries X and Y. Area A shows the production of the factors of country X and thus home factors production in country X. And area B shows the production of the factor of country Y in country X. Thus, foreign factors production in country X. Therefore, GDP of country X will be the sum of the area A and area B. Similarly, area C measures the production of the factors of country Y. Thus, home factors production of country Y. And area D shows the production of the factors of country X within the domestic territory of country Y, and thus foreign factors production in country Y. Therefore, GDP of country Y will be the sum of the area C and area D. Let us now see how we can measure GNP from GDP. Consider the figure again. GNP measures home factors income at home and at abroad. In figure, for country X, home factors income at home is shown by area A, and home factors income at abroad, that is in country Y, is shown by area D. Therefore, for country X, GNP will be the sum of area A and area D. Similarly, for country Y, home factors income at home is shown by area C, and area B represents home factors income at abroad, that is in country X. Therefore, GNP of country Y will be the sum of area C and area B. Again, area A and B together constitutes the GDP of country X. For country X, B shows the foreign factors income at home, which should be excluded from the GNP of country X, and D shows the home factors income at abroad, that is in Y, and therefore area D should be included in the GNP of country X. Therefore, GNP of country X will be equal to the GDP of country X plus home factors income at foreign, that is area D, minus foreign factors income at home, that is area B. Here, area D shows home factors income at abroad, which we call export. Just think like manpower export. And area B shows foreign factors income at home, which we call import, denoted by M. Just think like manpower import. Therefore, GNP of country X equals GDP of country X plus export minus import. That is home factors production at abroad minus foreign factors production at home. Similarly, for country Y, GNP of country Y will be equal to GDP of country Y plus home factors income at abroad, that is area B, minus foreign factors income at home, that is area D. That is, GNP of country Y is equal to GDP of country Y plus X minus M, that is net export. Finally, we shall see which one is greater, GNP or GDP, and when. We can arrive at GDP adding home factors income at abroad with GDP and deducting foreign factors income at home from GDP. That is, GNP equals GDP plus X minus M. The difference between export and import is known as net export. Now, if the net export is positive, it means our export is greater than our import. That is, our home factors income at abroad is greater than the foreign factors income at home. And in this case, as we are receiving more than we are giving, GNP will be greater than GDP. When net export is negative, it means our export is less than our import. That is, what we receive is less than what we give. And in this case, GNP will be less than GDP. Finally, when net export is 0, it means export and import are equal. That is, home factors income at abroad and foreign factors income at home are equal, which levels out the GNP and GDP.